Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl April. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Bible in the Beat. This is where we blend beauty, scripture, and real life testimony to prove to you that God is in every single detail. If you're interested in that kind of content, be sure to subscribe so you can be notified every time I upload a video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a wig review. This is a, beauty on a budget, becoming that girl on a budget video. I haven't done a becoming that girl on a budget video in a while. So everything is like budget friendly. This hair that I will be doing a review on, this wig is a synthetic wig. So I'm going to give you the details, the pros and cons, what I like about this wig. I can't give too many cons or, pros. So it'll be like a first impressions because, the pros and cons really come with, the wear of the wig and how good it holds up and how much when you wear it, how wearable it is and how the longevity of it. That's when you really can get down with the nitty gritty of the details. Like, oh yeah, baby, go back and get this, or I'm gonna get that again. So yeah, I will be giving the details about this wig. And let me see, my lashes and all of that good stuff. So today's makeup, I kept it really simple. I kept the makeup kind of simple with just a bold lip. So if you're interested in seeing like a natural beat or something like this with a bold lip, be sure to comment below. Y'all know how I do, my makeup ministry. I probably will try to do a look like this with a message, included in there. Let me see. Let me get into it. Let me get into the details about this wig. And also, let me see. How much did I spend today altogether? I think this whole, like with the lashes, the lash glue, I didn't get to put my little nails on yet. I might have to go and take a little break, little intermission, and pop back up in here with the nails on them. I didn't have time because I was in a rush today. But the nails were like $10.99, I believe. The wig was, I got lipstick everywhere. The wig was $29.99, and the lash glue, I can't think of the price, but I'll have to get I'll have all the. It's crazy because initially I did not want to get this wig. I wanted to just go run in the store and get my favorite go-to girl that I love. I wanted to go in there and get that, but they didn't have her no more, and I'm hoping that the wig company is not, discontinuing the wig, because that's really going to hurt my feelings. So I hope that store just don't sell it anymore. They don't carry it. I hope it's not a discontinuation thing going on the wig. But let me go ahead and finish giving you guys my review. I'll talk about, like I said, I'll give you a few pros and cons of what I like about it so far. And yeah, let's do that. Let's just stop rambling. Let me get to the details and the construction of the wig and everything like that. So, yeah. Alright guys, so let's start with the name of the wig. So the wig is Instant Weave by Sensational. And this is the stock card. And on the stock card it says Style and Color IWD23, color number 1. So I guess the IW stands for instant wig and the D stands for drawstring because it has a drawstring adjustable strap in there where you can make this like a ponytail if you wanted it to go into a ponytail. So that's a pro right there. So you can add that in for the wig review. That's a pro because if I wanted to turn this into a ponytail, if I didn't want to wear it like a instant weave, like like this, then I could wear it as a ponytail, and that is a pro. So this just tells you on the stock card the different colors that it comes in. It comes in TH2 and 27, TH2 and TH2 and 33, TH2 BG, TH2 copper. So those are the different colors, and the card tells you the maintenance, how they care for the wig, for the hair. I think you can, let's see, it says you can curl this hair. It's safe up to 300 to 400 degrees. And then, yeah, I guess it just tells you how to shampoo it and how to care for it. So this is all on this card. You see, that's that's how it looks. And this is how it looks on me. So let's see whatever curls that I got besides that it can turn into a ponytail. I love the curls. I love the fullness of this curl. I might actually like this better than my favorite little go-to. So even if they don't carry that wig again, then I feel like safe that I could go and get this, and this will give me this. Yeah, so this, like, how the curls were kind of like, I don't know, synthetic kind of looking. I had to go through it and comb a little bit, but I didn't want to manipulate and comb through it too much because, you know, with synthetic hair, that, you know, synthetic hair can start to tangle fast and stuff like that. So that would be a con. Like, synthetic hair tangles fast, and but the plus is, like, one, in the look of it straight out the packaging, you have to, like, do something with it, because you can't just, well, I mean, you could if that's what you want to do, but I don't know. If I wasn't in a rush today, I would take some leave out. So this week, you would definitely have to have some, like, a little bit of your hair left out. I just took some baby hair that was already on my ponytail because I didn't have time to shampoo my hair, and I had a major, like, appointment that I had to go to, something that was scheduled today to go to with my daughter, so I couldn't miss that. So I had to. So y'all know how the package say instant. It had to be, like, on instantly. I had to slide them combs and I had to go about my business. But I think it would be really better, like, if you take some pieces out and give it realistic so it can hide, you know, this part right here, the wig. But I still wore it anyway, just like this baby. So, period. And I love the length. So that would be a pro as far as this wig review. So far, I don't know how long it will last. I think I had a wig by them before, and I think I did a wig review maybe, or I had the wig and I just took pictures and stuff with it on, but I don't know if I actually did a wig, and it wasn't this particular style, but it was kind of similar. But I think I like this one even better than that one. And what I was going to say, I like the length of it. So I think the 23 stands for maybe the inches of the hair that it is. It might be, you know, 23 inches. Yeah, so I think that it stands for 23, like the inch. If you really, like, straighten out the curl, pull it down some, it's give or take about 23 inches. So I would say that. And I like that length because it's not too long. It's not like 30 inches bust down all the way down to my, you know, my butt, or 40 inches and all of that. So this gives me, you know, that curl and a little bit of length without it being too long, but not being too short either. So I'm just, like, right in between, and that's a pro for me. So I love the length of the wig. I love the curls, how the curls is. I like that you can take a little paddle brush or a wig brush or big wide tooth comb and just give it that nice little look. Like, this curls are giving, you know, like the Cash doll, like when she be wearing the heavy bangs, like the layer bangs, or Leah when she was in Romeo Must Die. That's what it feels. Are you feeling me? 'Cause I'm feeling you. Something in my heart. Tell me you're the one. Y'all know Romeo Must Die. And she had, like, the bangs and the little swoop thing going on, Aaliyah, in the movie. That's what the wig kind of reminds me of, and how Cash Doll wears the little side bangs and she might do that because she like Aaliyah, like she's really a fan of Aaliyah too. But anywho, before I get off track, let's see what else I like. I like the adjustable drawstrings that they have in there because that is good for security. So that is a pro, because you get that security. I'm going to try to take the wig off and let you guys see the inside construction of the wig, because I don't think they have a picture of it anywhere on here. So I might take the wig off and let you guys see the inside construction. I can tell you so far without me even having to take the wig off, that the wig has, like, a comb here. Let's see. A comb here in the top of my head. I want to see one on the side here. I have to look at it, but it feels like it's 3 combs up here, and then it also has a comb. Is it a comb in the back and a drawstring? A comb and a drawstring in the back, I believe. So I'm gonna twist it and turn it around. Turn the wigs around. But let me take it off so we can see. Oh, and another pro, before I even take the wig off, I can't leave that part of it out. The pro about it is that it's affordable, because we already saying that we're doing beauty on a budget. So I like that you get an affordable wig. You get this cutesy little curly wig on a budget, at an affordable price. So yes, you gotta love that. Alright guys, so this is the inside construction of the wig. So yes, hold on. Let me try to hold it up here. This is the top of the wig. This is the back of the wig. So you see it has the drawstring and the comb there. And then we have a comb here. I'm trying to hold it up as best I can. So yes, it has 4 combs in this wig all together. So it's 3 up the top, 1 in the back, and an adjustable drawstring band in the back. So this is how it looks on. Definitely probably would need a black stocking cap because you can kind of see through that. But like in my hand like this, it's not too sheer and see-through. Like some wigs is so sheer and see-through you can see through. It's really not that bad. But when I hold it up in the light, you can see. So I don't know. Just wear a black stocking cap, because you don't want to be outside and with a nude cap or something and people can see through. I don't know, but I would just wear black. Want to be on the safe side. So yeah, I love this. This is a plus for me because I love all of the security. Alright, I'm back. I had to put my little baby back on. But I mean, I don't have too many cons to say about this wig because it's already a synthetic wig, and I feel like, you pay for what, you get what you pay for. So this is just something, so, you might not have money to pay for a weave install, to get a sew-in. You might don't have, or a quick weave or something. You might don't have that money to buy tracks or weave, or, all of that. You might don't have money to buy an actual lace front wig, because some of those run you up to $200 for a good one and above, $500, that can get costly for a weave and wig install. So I say, for the price of what it costs, and it's synthetic, it can, you can get a couple of wears out of it. I don't know. I feel like the expectation just can't be but so high, considering the fact that this is like a synthetic wig, like a synthetic hair. So you can't expect that much of it, but for what it's worth, for what it is, I'm not mad at it, and I'm hoping that I can get a couple little wears up out of it. I think, let me look at my receipt and see how much I spent for everything today while I'm talking about on a budget, so I could just give you guys the rundown of, how much I spent to create this little look. I think they said the lash glue was $4.99. The lashes were actually free. I stopped at my cousin's store the other day, and she gifted me these for popping in and just saying hi. I was gonna support her, but she said, no, I want to give you these. Like, no, you can have them. And I was like, at first I was like, no, but I had to learn to start, accepting when people want to do nice things for me, because that's part of, favor. We be asking God for favor, and let us be favored in the eyesight of, mankind, and let people, let favor create opportunities for them. Then when the opportunity come, they were rejecting, like, no. So I just took my blessing as it came, and I was like, thank you. That didn't stop that day either. Speaking of favor, I'm like, God, I see you all day today. Like, the next one that was a big one. I was like, thank you, Jesus, God, come through. But anywho, so I didn't have to pay for the lashes, but these are usually like $7.99. These are the INV lashes by Kiss. Let me see if I can find the packaging so I can show you guys that as well. I'm sorry if I'm reaching all over the place. I don't see it, just the wig packaging. Okay, so they were the INV mink lashes. I think these are 25 millimeters or something like that. Maximum fluffiness. think this is in style 5. And then like my favorite ones by them. I love IMV lashes. These ones right here that come in this gold pack. And I love style. Yep, it's number 5. So those are like my favorite lashes. And this is the glue. This was the clear eyelash glue that I got. And let's see everything. First the nails. Y'all see I put my little nails, my little press-ons on. I like these pros and cons about these little press-on babies right here, because I can take them off. I don't have to be committed to it. About a press-on nail, the length is appropriate. Like from get to a certain age, you want to keep a certain length, you want to keep a certain kind of style. We going for classy. I don't have that time, that that interest in nails like I had when I was 19 and 20 and stuff like that. No, boo. We gonna keep it like this: short, sweet, and cute, and classy. All right, so everything, including the wig, the nails, and the glue, came up to $48.78. So then the glue was $4.99. They charged me 5 cents for my bag, and $10.99 for the nails, and $29.99 for the hair. So the subtotal is $46.02. Sales tax $276. Comes out $48.78. So I got this cute little inexpensive look today for less than $50. See, we can do it. We don't have to, walk around because we don't have those hundreds of dollars to spend and make excuses for ourselves that we can't, be cute. And, sometimes we are on a budget. It's not even that, we wouldn't go out and become that girl on a budget. You can, you might don't have the money to splurge, to spend on, $100, wigs, $200 wigs. You might don't have that kind of money for a wig install and all of that. You probably don't have that money, and it's okay to get the wig or the bundles. But do what you can with what you have, and be faithful over your finances. Don't go buck wild trying to live beyond your means, but you don't gotta stay stuck and feel like, oh, I can't dress myself up because I don't have this. You don't have to have it, the perfect amount or the required amount. Yeah, I might got $50. I might don't have $500 to get my hair done, but this $50, I'm about to, do what I can do what it do with that $50, and I'm gonna get myself, a cute little wig, some cute little lashes, and some cute little nails, and put myself together, and can tap dance, go the most bank, the most money, and you can still, show up and feel confident about yourself. That's what it's all about. It's about being confident. It's about showing up for yourself, romanticizing your life, and becoming, that girl who you envision yourself to be, seeing yourself at that, as your higher self. Get dressed up, get dolled up, even if you're on a budget. It's okay to treat yourself sometimes, and you don't have to, you just be walking around bonnets on and scarves on and not doing something with yourself. You can do something with yourself, and it don't cost a whole lot of money to do it. So like I said, don't go outside of your budget and spending what God didn't tell you to spend. You don't want to be careless with your money, but if you got a little bit, just be faithful with that little bit, and God gonna bless you with. Alright guys, so that is the end of my video. I guess that's all of my pros and cons and the message that I just wanted to leave you guys with today, as far as balling on a budget, beauty on a budget, becoming that girl on a budget. So that is it. That is all. Thank you guys for watching. Jesus loves you, and so do I. I will see you in my next video. Comment down below if you ever tried any of these products. Like, if any of these are your favorites. If you want to try it. If you want to go out and try it, let me know. Comment below. That's it. That's all. Catch you in my next video. Bye.